What's up, sucker?
Today's program. It gives immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 5th annual day celebrations of Spring Valley family. This evening belongs to you and our children. Our children worked very hard for the last few weeks to make this event look possible. So I want a big round of applause for our children. Thank you.
You can expect an extravagant and a complete entertaining evening ahead. The children's performance shall definitely leave you mesmerized. So keep the thunder of claps big for each and every performance.
Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity as sunlight expels the darkness of night. To make this evening a blessed, invoke Goddess Saraswati by kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. Now I invite our guest of honor, Mrs. Lavanya ma'am, our admirable director sir, Mr. Naveen, Lakshmi ma'am and Narasimha Reddy garu on dais.
ज्योति परब्रह्मा दीपं ज्योति परायणा दीपं हरते पापं दीपलक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते. Good evening, one and all. My name is Bhavika. I am studying in senior KG. You welcome you all on behalf of Spring Valley family to our 5th annual day function, to ready to rock on stage, to watch, to clap, to encourage. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, dignitaries, invited guests, teachers, and my dear students. As Swami Vivekananda rightly said, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is achieved. We have started our preschool with the same ideology. Now the stage is set to unfold a celebration of vision, a starburst of colors, joy, and splendor. We keep moving forward, opening new doors and doing new things because curious and curiosity keep leading us every year. It's a happy full day of it's a happy day full of joy, acceleration as we celebrate our annual day every year. We are extremely honored to have all the parents here today at this gathering. Tiny seeds makes boundless harvest. Drops of rains compose the showers. Seconds makes the flying minutes, and minutes make the hours. It's my pleasure to welcome our guest of honor, Mrs. Lavanya Ravi, who is the founder of Spring Valley. We cherish your constant support and act of goodwill towards the growth of our branch, ma'am. We extend a hearty welcome to you to this 5th annual day celebration and wish you to have a pleasant time with us. Parents, being the first teachers, have the potential to play an immensely proactive role. You, dear parents, are like the proverbial complementary wheel of progress. We feel deeply cherished to offer a pleasant welcome to each one of you as you are beam of support of our branch and all the efforts taken till now. Welcome, dear parents. Yes, it's dear teachers who are the mentors, molders, sculptors, and architects whose consistent diligence, sincerity, and jealous perseverance can be visualized today's performance. I hail and honor your noble struggle and efforts. I welcome you to enjoy. Enjoy the show. Special words of welcome to the members of non-teaching staff. My teaching staff and non-teaching staff made this day with all their support only. It has been possible to complete the 5 years successfully. They have played a vital role in this growth of Temple of Learning from 2015. In today's celebration, our main heroes are our students, so welcoming them once again. A fraternal welcome to all the twinkly stars of Spring Valley Preschool. Dear all parents, let us cherish the present, nurture in the warmth of cocoon of love and support. Once again, we welcome this annual gathering and wish today's events will leave an inedible mark in the memory. So without wasting much time, let us begin and unfold the various events awaiting. I hope you all enjoy the evening with our little cuties spread their magic by displaying their talents. Thank you.
सोता उड़ मैना उड़ जैसे रॉकेट उड़ ओए ओए कोयल उड़ कौवा उड़ जैसे रॉकेट उड़
उड़ती रहती कुड़ी उड़ती रहती चंद तारे आते बिच घुमदी रहती
कुड़िए इतनी रहंदी मैं दी उड़े रहंदी वो सारी दुनिया कहंदी कि तू उड़ती रहंदी सोता उड़ मैना उड़ जैसे रॉकेट उड़ ओए ओए कोयल उड़ कौवा उड़ जैसे रॉकेट उड़
Ready for ignition.
love soccer.
From Alleppey. My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattuvar. I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nattuvar. I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you. My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you.
I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Oh, I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you.
My name is Madhuri. I'm from Ratnagiri. My name is Madhuri. I'm from Ratnagiri. I speak Marathi, but I'm just like you. My name is Jamshedji. I'm from Panchgani. My name is Jamshedji. I'm from Panchgani. I speak Parsi, but I'm just like you.
India. Different states, different languages, diverse culture, still unity in diversity.
I request the parents, please don't take the pics. You're disturbing the camera and video person, please.
गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः सप्तस्वरामृतज्ञानप्रदाय गुरवे नमः ह्रीश्वरनन्दितश्रुतितत्त्वाय गुरवे नमः गमगधीभावरसलसिताय गुरवे नमः मम विधिं रागनरहरिं तं सद्गुरुं नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. I wake up in the morning and I know it's gonna be another fun day. There's not a day that passes by when you don't throw me a smile. I like the way you get so excited about the things you're gonna teach us. And every day is different 'cause we're learning more and more about life. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher.
talk me.
Hey my dear மச்சான் நீ மனச வச்சா நம்ம ஒரு சிக்கலா நெஞ்சு ஜிகு ஜிகுதா
My dear Rani, என் ட்ரீம்ல வாணி நம்ம ஒன்னா சேர ஃபயர் பத்திக்கு ரிச்சா
நம்ம பீச் பக்கம் போட்டா முண்டப்பா குத்து வேஸ்டா நீ என் மூடைய ரவுடி பேபி
You're my only girlfriend. I'll give you two gender. We'll make us new trend, baby.
போட்டா வேஸ்டா ரவுடி பேபி rowdy baby rowdy baby உன்னால என் மூடாச்சு my hormone balance damage
அம்மாச்சி, என் மீனாட்சி, இந்த மாதிரிக்கும் உன்னால என்னாச்சு?
1+1 2 mama you plus me 3 mama
Body Jhansi Rani, என் கிருஷ்ணவேணி. I'll buy you pony, அத்த ஓட்டினு வாணி.
ஏ மந்திரவாதி கெடிக்கு செடி நான் உன்னுல பாதி நம்ம சம்ம ஜோடி ரவுடி பேபி ஏ ரவுடி பேபி ரவுடி பேபி ரவுடி பேபி ரவுடி
Good evening, parents present over here. I hope you are enjoying the annual day of Spring Valley. Are you enjoying? But I find all the dull faces over here. Are you dull? No? Then give me 5 claps. I asked only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All together. 5 claps. You're giving more. You're dull. Thinking somewhere. Busy in the mobiles. Okay, give me 3. Okay. Now you are recharged. Am I right? Yes. Thank you. I congratulate first Mr. Naveen, Director of Spring Valley Biramguda branch, for completing successful 5 years, and also the school has been awarded as the best preschool for the academic year 2018 and 19. Congratulations, Mr. Naveen, and even the staff also for supporting him to go ahead and get the awards and all. Expecting few more awards ahead with all your support and cooperation. This is our 5th academic year, what we are celebrating the annual day over here. And we started in June 2015 our journey, and the journey is continuing with all your loving support. I hope all these 5 years, what all the Mr. Naveen has given his inputs, I think all the parents are getting the output excellently. Yes, parents? We are maintaining the quality in the education, attention to the students, and even we have extended our pre-primary to primary also. That last year we have announced it, but few unavoidable reasons we couldn't extend it. But this academic year we have done that. September 9th, 2019, we have started our primary block at Navya Colony, Aminpur Mandal, wherein like from grade 1 till grade 7, admissions are open, and even for the pre-primary also. And the main purpose at Navya Colony Primary is we are providing CBSE syllabus over there, and activity-oriented activities say karate, skating, abacus, dance, all the activities have been given to the children. And almost primary kids have been enrolled for the last academic year, and it is continuing. And this year we have extended till 7th with all the lab facilities, so that the parents who have taken the admission over here no need to think about the high school things. So we are running both the syllabus, SSC as well as the CBSE syllabus. Once a kid has completed the primary level, I mean to say 5th standard, the kid promoting to 6th grade, the parents will be given an option which syllabi you have to select it. If you want SSC, you can go with the SSC. If you want to select CBSE, you can even go with the CBSE, because we are taking the permissions for both SSC and CBSE. So we are giving all the best syllabus at Spring Valley, all the facilities at Spring Valley under the affordable prices. International standard of syllabus is there, that you can come to our Navya Colony branch and you can see the syllabus. You can check out the campus with the playground is there. So whoever the UKG kids have completed at Vandanapuri Colony can be extended to grade 1 at Navya Colony branch. So this is the one updation what we have given this academic year to the parents. For the next academic year, it continues. So with all the facilities set up, everything will be done. Transport facility is also available. Thank you for listening me. I know nothing is going into your mind. The third row parents started clapping. Madam, you can go. My children performance is yet to ready. Thank you very much.
Hi Sridhar, how are you? Hi Baru, I am fine. Do you know that classicals are performing dance? Oh nice, which song? It's Oh Baby Dance. Okay, let's welcome our little Samantha.
ఏదో ఏదో ఉల్కనేరుగా భూమి పైన వాలగా బేబీ అవతరించే అదిగో ఏదో ఏదో ఉల్కనేరుగా భూమి పైన వాలగా బేబీ అవతరించే అదిగో ఉళ్ళంతా వెటకారం పుట్టింది సూర్యకాంతం ఆకారం తూనిగా ముట్టుకుంటే కందిరీగా Oh baby, 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 oh baby. Black and white దొరసాని ట్రెండీగా మారే కహాని అలాద్దీన్ దీపంలా దొరికింది మళ్ళీ జవాని వైల్డ్ కార్డ్ ఎంట్రీలో నీ లైఫ్ కి నువ్వే రారాని రాచుకున్న ఆశ విహంగంలా ప్రపంచాన్ని జయించాలి లోకంలో ఈ వింత జరిగిందా ఎప్పుడైనా నక్కతోక తొక్కినట్టు గడియారం ముల్లేదో రూటు మారి తిరిగినట్టుగా Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby.
అమ్మా అమ్మా, ఇంకా ఆ దేవుడు నా చేతిలో గీతలే రాయలేదు. దానికి ముందే మీరు నా తలరాతను చెరిపేస్తారా? అమ్మా, నన్ను బతకనివ్వండి. నా మీద ఒట్టు, నేను నిన్ను ఎప్పుడూ విసిగించను. అమ్మా, నా చదువు గురించి దిగులు పడకు. నేను అన్నయ్య పుస్తకాలతో నాకు నేనే చదువుకుంటాను. నాన్నతో కూడా చెప్పమ్మా. నా పెళ్లి గురించి, కట్న కానుకల గురించి బాధపడవద్దని. నేను మీతో పాటే ఉండి మీకు అన్ని విషయాల్లో చేదోడు వాదోడుగా ఉంటాను. మీ ముసలితనంలో మీకు ఆసరాగా ఉంటాను. అయినా కూడా మీకు నేను భారం అనిపిస్తే ఈ ఆపరేషన్కి కూడా ఖర్చు పెట్టుకోండి. నేనే ఆ దేవుడికి చెప్తాను. అమ్మకి నా మొహం కూడా చూపించవద్దని.
సమాజంలో ఆడపిల్లలకి రక్షణ లేదు. వాళ్ళకి బయటికి వెళ్ళి ఆడుకోవాలి, చదువుకోవాలని ఉంటుంది. వాళ్ళకి స్వేచ్ఛనివ్వాలి, వాళ్ళ వ్యక్తిత్వానికి విలువనివ్వండి. గొప్పవాళ్ళైన వారిలో మహిళలే అధిక సంఖ్యలో ఉన్నారు.
न जाएंगे तारे जमीन पर। चल गुमसुम तराने चुपके चुपके जाए आधी आधी बात ले आजा दिल की ये जमीन थोड़ा सा था तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशिया।
కూతురు అంటే మన ఇంట్లో వెలిసిన కల్పతరువు. కూతురు అంటే భద్రంగా చూడవలసిన గాజు బొమ్మ కాదు, మన కడుపున పుట్టిన మరో అమ్మ. కళ్యాణం అవగానే మనల్ని విడిచి వెళ్ళిన కష్టమనగానే పరిగెత్తుకు వస్తుంది. కూతుర్ని కన్నా ఏ తండ్రి అయినా యువరాణిని కన్నా మహారాజులా గర్వపడాలి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
This is going to be our annual day for the coming years.
Tarang, the name for Spring Valley Annual Day for the coming years.
చాంగు భళ ఇలాగా నేను ఎలా మారిపోయా చెంగుమని భలేగా చాంగు భళ ఇలాగా నేను ఎలా మారిపోయా చెంగుమని భలేగా యవ్వనమే కుర్రుమని పారిపోయే తునిగా తిరిగి
Sadia. Come on. Close your eyes. Meditation. Open your eyes. Romance. Breathing exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sadia. Over both stands. Snake punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now tiger punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lower that to punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Monkey punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now double hand punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now Shaolin punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sadia. Now side kick left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Sadia. Romance. Good. Now first pyramid. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Second pyramid. 1, breaking. Komal. Komal. Forearm breaking. Saria. Roman. Overmotion. Forearm. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now next, Ritvik. Now, Ritvik, elbow breaking. Roman, overboard stance. Elbow. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Roman, now last. Vidya. Vinay. Head breaking. Sadia. Ramaj. Overmotion. One, 2, 3. Very good. Ramaj. All of you stand up. All of you say Ramaj.
Our kids are very energetic, right? So please give them an applause for them again, once again. Thank you.